Hey guys, Randall here at Diamond C. Let's take a quick run around this GTU. Now the GTU's claim to fame is more than just the bells and whistles that it comes standard with. It's got the 5-inch channel frame and the 2-inch channel cross members to give it the solid foundation that it needs. We don't screw around with a 2-inch top wind jack, it's 7K for us. This guy chose a tongue box on the front for his chains and binders, and if you'll notice on our top rail we do the weld-on solid caps, not the plastic push-in caps that could fall out and allow wasps and hornets and bees to get in there and cause damage to you. And the next option that we added was a side-load bifold gate. Notice that ours comes with the gas shock and the spring assist to make it a lot easier to use. Also, we put in 3-hole tie-down spots to load multiple pieces of equipment. Moving on, you'll notice that he chose the expanded metal sides, the 14-gauge diamond plate fenders, and these slick-looking 2-tone aluminum wheels with a matching spare. And also for the back, we went with the Bifold Gate, which has the same features as the side gate. Hey, thanks for taking some time with me, and for more videos like this, make sure you're subscribed so you can be notified.